Hello students of class 10th. Today I am going to start your new chapter number 6, that is trigonometric ratios. Students, to start this chapter, firstly we have to know that what is trigonometry. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which we study the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angled triangle. Okay, remember one thing, we study the relationship between the sides and angles of a right angled triangle. Okay students, this is a right angled triangle. This is its right angle, and side opposite to right angle, that is called hypotenuse. Now these two sides are perpendicular and base. We can take any one perpendicular and other base. Students, if I take this angle as theta, then this side is base. Adjacent side of given angle is called base. So if I take this angle as theta, then this is base and this is perpendicular. And if I take this angle as theta, then this side is base. Okay, because adjacent side of this angle is this. So this is base and this is perpendicular, and hypotenuse will remain same. Okay. Students, now in trigonometry we will study about the 6 trigonometric ratios, that are sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay. So firstly, what is sine theta? Sine theta is a relation between the given angle and perpendicular and hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. Okay. Sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. And students, remember one thing, cot theta is inverse of tan theta. Okay, so cot theta is equals to base upon perpendicular, and sec theta is inverse of cos theta. So sec theta is equals to hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta is inverse upon of sin theta. So if sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then cos theta is equals to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, because cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. Now students, it means हमें ये 3 formulas लर्न होने चाहिए. Students, इन फॉर्मूलाज को लर्न करने के लिए एक सिंपल सा इजी सा कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसको बोलते हैं पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरी हरी बोल सोना चांदी तोल. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरी हरी बोल सोना चांदी तोल. इट मीन्स S for sine, C for cos, T for tan, and P for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse, B for base. It means sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon height, cos theta is equals to base upon height, tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tod. This is the simplest concept of trigonometry. These are 6 ratios. Okay, now एंगल्स के मेजर होते हैं, एक तो डिग्री में एंड एक मेजर होता है रेडियन में. सो डिग्री को अगर रेडियन में कन्वर्ट करना हो एंड रेडियन को डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करना हो, सो हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट देम? स्टूडेंट्स, पाई रेडियन इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. ओके, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, पाई रेडियन इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. इट मीन्स 1 डिग्री इक्वल्स टू पाई रेडियन अपॉन 180. एंड if you want to change given degree into radian, then given degree equals to pi radian upon 180 into degree of given angle. For example, we have to change 60 degree into radian. Okay, so pi radian upon 180 into 60, then it is equals to pi upon 3 radian. Okay students, pi upon 80 into degree of given angle. So 60 degree equals to pi upon 3. And if we want to change 30 degree, then pi radian upon 180 into 30 degree, then it is equals to pi upon 6 radian. Okay students, so this is relationship between degree and radian. Students, now our trigonometric table of particular angles. Students, this is a very important table and part of trigonometry in your book is very important. You will find minimum 4 to 5 questions in your exam. Okay, so firstly when you go for exam, then in starting when you have free time, then firstly make this table in your notebook, in your exam notebook, okay, with pencil. These are angles in degree and radian, and these are 6 trigonometric ratios. Students, we will find value of trigonometric ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And values of these degrees in radian are: value of 0 degree is equals to 0, value of 30 degree is equals to pi upon 6, value of 45 degree is equals to pi upon 4, value of 60 degree is equals to pi upon 3, and value of 90 degree equals to pi upon 2. Okay, we did this. Then how can we convert degree into radian? Okay, now these are 6 ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cos theta. Okay students, now what is the value of sin 0? That is equals to 0. Okay, and value of sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. Value of sin 45 is equals to 1 upon under root 2. Value of sin 60, that is equals to under root 3 upon 2, and value of sin 90 degree is equals to 1. Students, आपको सिर्फ साइन की वैल्यूज लर्न करनी है, एंड जो अदर वैल्यूज हैं 5 रेशियोज की, वो इजीली साइन की वैल्यू से हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. Now values of cos theta for those angles. Since when we write reverse of these values, then we get values of cos theta. It means sin 0 degree equals to cos 90 degree and sin 90 degree equals to cos 0 degree. So 1 square root of 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. Okay, इन वैल्यूज को कन्वर्सली लिख दिया. जो साइन 90 की वैल्यू थी वो कोस 0 की वैल्यू, एंड जो कोस साइन 60 की वैल्यू थी वो कोस 30 की वैल्यू, जो साइन 30 की वैल्यू थी वो कोस 60 की वैल्यू. ओके, सो दीज आर वैल्यूज फॉर कोस. नाउ वैल्यूज ऑफ tan थीटा. स्टूडेंट्स, we tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. ओके, सो tan की वैल्यूज इस रिलेशन से फाइंड कर लेंगे. tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. And now your question is how tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Students, remember one thing: sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon height, and cos theta is equals to base upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. When I divide sin theta by cos theta, then I get perpendicular upon hypotenuse upon base upon hypotenuse. So this is equals to perpendicular upon base, and tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. It means tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, now we will find values of tan. Tan 0 equals to sin 0 upon cos 0. It means 0 upon 1, that is equals to 0. Tan 30, sin 30 upon cos 30, and value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, and value of cos 30 is equals to square root of 3 by 2. When I divide 1 by 2 by square root of 3 by 2, then I get 1 upon square root of 3. Okay, tan 45, sin 45 upon cos 45, 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2, then I get 1. Tan 60, square root of 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, then I get square root of 3. And when I divide 1 by 0, then I get infinite. Okay, so these are values of tan, and we know that tan. Now we will find value of cot, and we know that cot is inverse of tan theta. Then when tan 0 degree is 0, then cot 0 is equals to 1 upon 0, and that is equals to infinite. And sin 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3. So cot 30 is equals to root 3. Cot 45 is equals to 1. Cot 60 is equals to 1 upon root 3, because tan 60 is equals to root 3. So when I take inverse of this, then I get 1 upon root 3. So that is equals to cot 60. And cot 90, that is equals to 0. Okay students, you can do one more thing. The cot is inverse of tan theta. It means which is the value of tan 90, that will be the value of cot 0, and which is the value of cot tan 0, that will be the value of cot 90. Means 0 square root of 3, 1 upon square root of 3, and 0. Now sec theta, and you know that sec theta is inverse of cos theta. It means 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2, and 0, because 1 upon 0 equals to infinite. And we know that cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. So 1 upon 0 equals to infinite. 1 upon 1 by 2, that is equals to 2. 1 upon under root 2, that is equals to under root 2. When I take inverse of this, then I get 2 upon root 3, and 1 upon 1, that is equals to 1. So this is your trigonometric table. Now with the help of this table, we can solve our exercise 6 easily. Students, for today you have to learn this table and trigonometric values. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and how to convert degree into radian. Okay, and in our next video we will do some questions of our exercise